Are you wondering what a TENS unit is? This is a TENS unit. This is commonly used for circulation, building up circulation in certain areas, also for pain therapy, nerve therapy, and also for building endurance and toning muscles. Sometimes these are prescribed by physicians, but you can buy it on the open market. They range from $75 to thousands of dollars. It just depends on how many electrodes you want, how much complexity that you're looking for. This one runs about $120. A TENS unit is quite simple, especially the one that I'm showing. What you're going to want to do is there's a positive and a negative. You're going to place that on either side of the muscle. It's actually great because you can do programs fit for each individual. You can start slow and then ramp it up to a higher level. It just depends on what intensity, speed, variety that you're looking for.